Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. SYN addition refers to the addition of two groups to the same phase of a double bond simultaneously or in a concerted superficial manner. Moving on to the next step. A. Dihydroxylthione with dilute KMnO4. This reaction proceeds via a cyclic manganate ester intermediate, which forces both OH groups to add to the same phase of the double bond. This is a classic SYN addition. B. Catalytic hydrogenation with D2/Ne hydrogen. Deuterium adds to the surface of the metal catalyst, and both the atoms are delivered to the same phase of the double bond. This is a SYN addition. C. Hydroboration oxidation with B2H6 then H2O2. Now H. Hydroboration proceeds via a four-membered cyclic transition state where B and H add simultaneously to the same phase of the alkene, SYN addition. The subsequent oxidation retains stereochemistry. Overall result is SYN addition. D. Bromination with Br2 in CCl4. This reaction proceeds through a cyclic bromonium ion intermediate. The second bromide ion, Br, then attacks the bromonium ion from the backside, anti to the bromonium bridge, in an SN2-like fashion. This results in anti-addition of the two bromine atoms across the double bond, not SYN addition. And for the final step, reactions A, B, and C all involve SYN addition. Reaction D. Bromination via bromonium ion intermediate involves anti-addition, so SYN addition does not take place in reaction D. Therefore, the correct answer is D. Therefore, the correct answer is option D.